Neural interface established.
Welcome to AI Unveiled Daily Brief. I'm Asif Waliyuddin, guiding you through the thrilling shifts and groundbreaking stories shaping the AI universe.
Intelligence upload in 3, 2, 1. Commencing data stream.
The AI industry is experiencing rapid transformation. Google co-founder Larry Page has ventured into AI manufacturing through his new startup, Dynatomics. This company aims to revolutionize manufacturing by implementing large language models for object design and production, essentially creating an AI-enhanced alternative to traditional design software like Autodesk. The choice to develop this technology outside of Google's ecosystem has raised eyebrows, particularly since AI-powered design appears to align well with Google's capabilities. This decision becomes even more intriguing considering Page's history of launching moonshot projects outside Google, such as the flying vehicle company Kitty Hawk. Chris Anderson, Kitty Hawk's former CTO, now leads Dynatomics, adding another layer of intrigue. While specific details remain unclear, there's speculation about potential collaboration between Dynatomics and Google Cloud, or access to Google's Gemini AI models, given Page's continued influence at Google, alongside fellow co-founder Sergey Brin. The broader AI landscape is seeing significant growth in vertical-specific applications. Specialized solutions are targeting distinct industries such as law, healthcare, and manufacturing. These niche applications are particularly attractive to investors and developers for several reasons. They require specialized training data, such as legal contract examples for law applications or medical test results for healthcare solutions, which creates natural barriers to entry. Additionally, these specific market segments are often too specialized for major AI developers like OpenAI and Anthropic to pursue directly, creating opportunities for focused startups. In the enterprise software sector, ServiceNow's $2.85 billion acquisition of AI startup Moveworks represents a significant milestone. This substantial investment demonstrates the growing importance of agent-powered services in enterprise solutions and highlights the premium being placed on advanced AI automation tools. Microsoft's exploration of DeepSeek's AI models marks another significant development. The tech giant has been testing these models as potential alternatives for its Copilot chatbot, currently powered by OpenAI's technology. This strategic move is driven by multiple factors. DeepSeek's models offer comparable performance at lower operational costs, and Microsoft aims to reduce its dependence on OpenAI. CEO Satya Nadella's vision suggests that the future of AI competition will center on application quality rather than model ownership, with open-source alternatives playing a crucial role in preventing monopolistic control. The funding landscape remains remarkably robust. Anysphere, the company behind coding assistant Cursor, is in discussions for funding that could value it at $10 billion, with current annual revenue exceeding $150 million. Shield AI secured $240 million in Series F funding at a $5.3 billion valuation for its military AI systems. Reflection AI raised $130 million for AI-powered coding agents. Other notable raises include Nirvana's $80 million Series C round for AI-powered trucker insurance, and Freed's $30 million Series A funding for AI medical scribes. Infrastructure development continues to expand. xAI is acquiring a substantial 1 million square foot property in southwest Memphis for AI data center operations. This expansion highlights the significant physical infrastructure requirements necessary to support advanced AI capabilities. Technical innovations continue to emerge from major tech companies. Meta is preparing to release Llama 4 with enhanced voice features. Google has launched Gemini Embedding, an experimental embedding model for text, through its Gemini Developer API. The regulatory environment is also evolving. The US government is considering restrictions on DeepSeek's presence on government devices. This development underscores the growing tension between technological advancement and national security concerns, particularly regarding Chinese AI companies' involvement in sensitive sectors. Smaller but significant funding rounds continue to shape the industry's development. Alsaberg raised $10 million for AI governance. Fairies secured $7.5 million for AI-powered housekeeping solutions. Dubformer obtained $3.6 million for AI video dubbing technology. Intangible raised $4 million for 3D content creation tools. These investments demonstrate the diverse applications of AI technology across various sectors and the continued confidence of investors in AI's potential. The AI industry's rapid evolution is marked by strategic moves from established tech leaders, ambitious startup ventures, and significant capital investments. The involvement of influential figures like Larry Page and new ventures, alongside major corporate acquisitions, indicates that the AI sector remains in a dynamic phase of growth and transformation.
Thus concludes today's Decoded Reality from AI Unveiled.
Remember, every quantum leap in AI begins at the intersection of audacious code and rogue imagination. Stay vigilant in the datasphere. Keep your algorithms curious. I'll rendezvous with your consciousness in the next cycle.